whatever it takes. It is the attitude of success, the mantra of champions, the belief and hunger to whatever it takes in order to succeed and to live your life on your own terms. You will have to push yourself hard to see how far you can go. Do not seek for comfortness. Be uncomfortable in order to do what you have to do. Do not stop yourself because of the hallucinations of failure. If you have made up your mind that this is what I want, you are unstoppable. But in order to be unstoppable, you will have to first make up your mind with conviction, with certainty that this is what I want and I will do whatever it takes in order to bring it to life. If you are committed to yourself like this, you are by definition unstoppable. No one or nothing can stop a person who is already ready to give in everything he has in order to be successful. But you will have to keep on reminding yourself that no, I will not take no for an answer. No, I will not quit any longer. No, I will not settle for anything less. The obstacles that are there outside are only there to see how badly you want your goals. If you want it more than anything, you will have to be dedicated, you will have to be committed, you will have to be unstoppable. The difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful person is that the successful person is prepared to do whatever it takes. Let me ask you one thing. What are you prepared to do in order to get your success? What are you prepared to go through in order to have your dreams? Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to develop yourself? If I tell you that right now, over here you have your success, over here you have your dreams, what only the thing that you have to do in order to get that is do a bit of learning, do a bit of sacrifice, survive a bit of pain and get more answers. That's all. Will you be able to do that in order to get your success? If yes, then what are you waiting for? Planning won't help you. Start taking actions. Let me tell you one thing. The major requirement for success is not commitment, not hard work, not consistency. The major requirement for success is to start, my friend. So start right now. Now is the time for you to take actions. Let me tell you one thing. Scientists tell that the probability of being on this earth is 1 out of 400 trillion, my friend. Let me repeat that for you. The probability of you being on this earth is 1 out of 400 trillion. So it is nothing less than a miracle that you are alive right now. So do not waste it. Make it worth it. Why aren't you taking risks? What will happen if you take risks? You will face problems, right? But let me tell you, you will face problems no matter what you do in life. If you are trying to be successful, if you are trying to put in hard work to it, you will face problems. If you are trying to be lazy, if you are trying to be a waste man, you will face problems. You will face problems no matter what you do. If you are trying to put hard work, you will face problems. If you are trying to be lazy, you will face problems. The only difference is when you are trying to put in hard work and then you are facing problems, that problem will make you a better person. But when you are facing a problem because of being lazy, it will make you a bigger waste man. So problems are there no matter what you do. The only thing that you have to do is choose which problem to choose. Make a wise decision, my friend. Thank you.